Welcome to Best Choice. The best Millennium Falcon is probably one of the most recognizable spacecraft in cinematic history, and now you can bring it to life with a model kit. This detailed replica offers a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself in the Star Wars universe. Whether you're a seasoned model builder or a newcomer, the Millennium Falcon model kit promises an enjoyable and fulfilling experience, allowing you to create your very own piece of the galaxy. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75257. Introducing the LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75257. This incredible set lets you build the legendary starship. It's perfect for any Star Wars fan. This model includes rotating turrets, spring-loaded shooters, and a lowering ramp. It's designed for an action-packed play experience, and it's ready for any adventure. Explore the detailed interior, including a cargo area, navigation computer, and hidden smuggling compartment. The set also has a hyperdrive, making the experience even more immersive. The set also features a couch, Dejeric hologame table, galley, and bunk. It even includes repair tools for the hyperdrive, adding to the fun. It comes with 7 iconic characters, including Finn, Chewbacca, and C-3PO. Plus, it includes fan favorites D-O and R2-D2, completing your Star Wars collection. With 1,351 pieces, this LEGO set packs so much detail into its design. It's over 5 inches high, 17 inches long, and 12 inches wide. It's perfect for fans of the series. What we like. This LEGO set features rotating turrets and a detailed interior, allowing for dynamic play and recreating iconic scenes. It also includes 7 iconic characters, perfect for fans who love to act out their favorite Star Wars moments. If you are looking for a model that offers both building fun and playability, you should consider this one. What people say. It took him a little less than 4 hours of non-stop building to put together. Directions were clear, all bags were labeled well. It's very intricate, down to even having separate bays, such as a kitchen galley, on the inside. He says this build even beats the WW2 tank he built. He loves it. I got this for my birthday for my spouse and I have to say, this was so fun to put together. I haven't built anything LEGO since I was a kid, but despite my long time hiatus, I was able to assemble it no problem. There are a lot of pieces in this set and it took me 6+ hours to build it. The instructions were clear and the added LEGO separation tool was a good addition to the set. I had to use it a few times. Fabulous LEGO kit. Number 4. 4D Build Star Wars Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Get ready for an epic building adventure. This 4D Build Millennium Falcon Model Kit lets you create a film-accurate Star Wars room decor piece. It has movie-quality intricate detail, plus glue and a stand. This kit is a detailed replica of the iconic ship. It includes 10 sheets with 223 durable punch-out pieces and easy-to-follow instructions. No tools are required, making the assembly process satisfying. Once assembled, it's perfect for display. It's an authentic addition to your model kits collection, ideal for room, office, or bedroom decor. It measures 16.9 in x 12.4 in x 8.8 inches. Looking for a great gift? This is a fantastic choice for Star Wars fans of all ages. It's a great gift for men, women, boyfriends, and anyone who loves the franchise. Looking for more fun? Explore other 3D puzzles, party games, and card games. This is a great way to switch things up and enjoy family night. The kit includes 10 cardstock sheets, glue, and detailed instructions. It's also covered by the Spin Master Care commitment, ensuring quality and satisfaction. What we like. This 4D build model offers a detailed replica with easy-to-assemble punch-out pieces, making it a satisfying craft challenge. It's designed specifically for display, perfect for adding to your collection or decorating your room. If you are looking for a model that is easy to build and looks great on display, you should consider this one. What people say. The detail on this was impressive and a nice touch of supplying glue. They are very easy to assemble and look awesome when on display. It is challenging in a fun way. It's actually quite big and has some great details. Number 3. Bandai Star Wars Millennium Falcon Plastic Model Kit. Get ready to build your own iconic starship with this detailed model kit from Bandai. It's a perfect replica of the Millennium Falcon, ready for you to assemble. This kit features highly detailed plastic pieces molded in different colors. You can enjoy the process of building it. The package dimensions are 4.2 cm in height, 8.8 cm in length, and 15.8 cm in width. It's a great size for display. The package weight is only 0.063 kilograms, making it easy to handle and transport. It's a great gift for any Star Wars fan. This model kit is made in China, ensuring quality and precision. You will be satisfied with it. What we like. This Bandai model kit features highly detailed plastic pieces molded in different colors, making it easier to assemble and more visually appealing. It's a great option for those who want a detailed model without the need for extensive painting. If you want a model that is easy to assemble and looks great without painting, you should consider this one. What people say. It's more detailed and accurate in its proportions. You can literally identify individual pieces from the original donor model kits the ILM builders used when they made the original Falcon model. This is a snap-together kit, but so much thought has gone into how the pieces fit that not only are the joins ultra-tight without the need for glue, but mold lines are cleverly hidden so there is almost zero need to sand or otherwise clean up the model. Number 2. Bandai Star Wars Millennium Falcon, Rise of Skywalker, Model Kit. Check out this new model kit from the Star Wars universe. It's a snap-together kit, so no glue or painting is required. This product features the official Bluefin logo, ensuring its authenticity and quality. You know you're getting a genuine item. This model kit is designed for easy assembly. It snaps together, making it a great project for all skill levels. You don't need any glue or paint to build this model. It's ready to go right out of the box, making it a convenient choice. This model is a 1/144 scale replica. It's a great size for display and collecting. What we like. This Bandai model kit is a new item from Star Wars, offering an easy-to-assemble experience with no glue or painting required. It's perfect for those who want a quick and straightforward building process. If you are looking for a model that is easy to build and requires no painting, you should consider this one. What people say. The snap-together parts are incredibly precise and remind me of Lego, and the detail is extremely accurate to the source material. The finished model is extremely detailed, far more than any other versions of this ship I've seen. And it's a decent size, not huge but bigger than my hand, and convenient for my limited shelf space. This Falcon specifically is the Rise of Skywalker edition, so it has the much desired round radar dish, but it also comes with the rectangular one. It has optional landing gear, ramp, and an adjustable stand which gives you a lot more dynamic poses than I expected. However, the level of detail of this kit is insane, and if I were to tell you that these photos were of a 5-foot-long model, you might believe me. Number 1. Revell Millennium Falcon, Han Solo, 1 hour 72 minutes scale model kit. This is a model construction kit of the famous Corellian transporter, the Millennium Falcon. It's easy to assemble, allowing you to build your own iconic starship. The model features a rotatable sensor. You can customize it to your liking, making it a unique addition to your collection. The kit comes unbuilt and unpainted, offering you the chance to personalize it. You can paint it and add your own details. Please note that this is an international product. It may have different terms and may differ from local products. It's designed for easy assembly, making it suitable for model enthusiasts of various skill levels. Build it and display it proudly. What we like. This Revell model kit is an easy-to-assemble construction kit of the Millennium Falcon, featuring a rotatable sensor. It's unpainted, allowing you to customize it to your liking. If you like the idea of painting your own model and want a classic kit, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit is a decent representation of the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. The kit has relatively few parts to it and the detail is lacking. But for those of you that like to add as much detail as you can, this may be for you. Directions and decals are good. Projuit solide, montage facile suivre les numéros sur les pieces, mon fils est satisfait du résultat. Plus tu es maître en peinture pour les finitions, je suis satisfait merci. This is exactly what I was looking for, the Millennium Falcon from the first movie, A New Hope, with the 3 landing gear outside of the 5. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.